Hello everybody, I'm just showing you how to change a needle on a Marley turntable, as I couldn't find a video on YouTube, so I thought I'd do one myself. My needle has got damaged underneath here, so I want to fit a replacement. Just for information, the part number is AT95E. Right, I'm just going to put something under there just to support the arm so as I don't damage it. This is just a little cardboard box I've got, so I'm just placing that under there. If you get a thumb, either side of the green plastic part, there's a little bit sticking out on it below that lets you just get your nail on it and you can pull it off. I've got the new needle here, being careful not to catch the needle with my fingers. Bring it underneath, he says, and on the sides press up. I'll just check around the front it's sitting right, which it is. I'll give that a go.